In the making of this piece, you will see vitrail being used in combination with Fantasy Moon. To begin, the artist deposits strokes of the Fantasy Moon pearl color over the surface with a brush to create a hammered effect background. It is important to thoroughly stir the paint without shaking prior to use. After this, she proceeds to apply vitrail transparent black and more of the Fantasy Moon pearl color over the freshly painted background with a brush. Watch as the artist pours some of the Fantasy Moon colors directly from the bottle onto the piece to create contrasting effects. Here she acts upon the colors with a brush to manipulate the results. She uses the random quality of the effects with intention to creating a design. Notice how the Fantasy Moon color reacts instantly with the vitrail color. This combination creates amazing marbled, hammered, and precious stone effects in the application with vitrail colors. To finish this piece, the artist will add a little touch of red vitrail color to it. She applies a few drops using a dropper to control the pouring, and she uses the toothpick to add small details. There you have it, a beautiful and original black and white piece with an amazing contrasting effects.